Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. I have been looking for the perfect set of little plant stands, and these ones are exactly what I needed.
If you want to show off your beautiful plants on gorgeous plant stands, these ones from Vecxoty are so perfect. They are absolutely gorgeous, crafted from carbonized pine wood, and they resist moisture, are burr-free for a clean and durable finish. They have no tools, no fuss assembly, and it takes less than a minute to put them together. Wherever you are going to put these, whether they're on the floor, on a table, wherever, they are absolutely going to be eye-catching and make your plants look beautiful.
So I think these are the perfect little plant stands for your indoor plants. They are the perfect addition to my little rainforest in my bedroom. I couldn't recommend them more, and that's my point of view.